Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's been 3 months since I last put a video out, and the reason for that is I've been extremely busy with the move to France, registering my details, registering my business, going out working, renovating the house, and pretty much it's taken a lot of my time. However, I have missed just taking the time to come out and do these videos and these contents and ride my bike. There's been a lot of change in the last 3 months. The house is coming on really, really well. I've put a lot of time and effort into that. And plus, I've also been doing my barn. My barn is a real big size, and it's where I'm going to do most of my content for my videos, etc. I've got a lot of things in the pipeline. I've got a lot of things to tell you about, but I can't do it all in one sitting. The first one is welcome back and thank you very much for sticking with me through these past couple of months, not putting anything out. But I'm going to be getting 2 videos out a week from now on. I've got enough stuff in the pipeline. I've got a new bike. I've sold the Royal Enfield 450 Himalayan. I've also sold the Voge 300 Rally, and I'll tell you why in another video, but I've replaced it with one bike to do what the other 2 bikes are doing. It's over there. I'm not going to reveal it. That's for another video, but I'll show you around and have a look at the place. So here's the barn. I've been getting power, electricity and the workshop in there. So I'll give you a quick tour around. So this is going to be my desk where I'm going to be working from, editing videos, etc. There's a lovely fire, keeping me warm on these winter nights. And of course, my brew making facilities. New bike, whoops, we won't touch on that one as yet. And over into the workshop. The workshop, I've got all my tools laid out. I've got a workbench which now I can work from. And then I acquired this. A couple of €100. It's a Willits. And I can get in here, I can have fun, I can listen to my music. Great height for acoustics. And I say plenty of space here to do my work, to do my videos. Bit later on, I'm restoring this. You can probably just work out what that is. That's going to be later in the series. So I'm going to be doing a renovation of this car. And I'm also going to be doing a renovation of this car as well. Interesting. Under there, what is it? What is this car? But I'm going to be doing that as well. First of all, I'm going to be getting out on the bike. I've missed getting out on my bike. I'm going to be getting out on that. I'm going to be doing some content. I'm going to enjoy it. There's lots of green lanes around here, lots of countryside, loads of places to see. So I'm going to be doing more on that. There's my little sit-on tractor. Got a couple of acres here. So that's going to help me, well, cut the lawn. And there we have it. Outside. Beautiful sunshine. That's why we moved to the southwest of France. It's cold, yeah. And there's the camper van. Got some more work to do on that. I'm going to be doing a diesel heater. On the camper van, I'm installing a diesel heater. It is sunny here. Pretty much every day is blue skies and sunshine, but it is cold, you know. It drops to minus in the evenings. In the daytime, the sun is warm, but it's blue skies. So hence, getting out in the convertible, getting out on the motorcycles. So, lots coming up. Lots coming up. I hope you stick around. If you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and it helps me make content like this. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you on the next ones. Any comments, drop them below. I answer all my comments. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. My name's Mick at Rad Riders. I'll catch you on the next one.